Hello and welcome to Home Assistant Tips by Larry. Before we get started, we are going to assume you already have a working instance of Home Assistant and you already have ESPHome installed and working and you know how to flash a microcontroller with ESPHome. Today we are going to talk about using a relay modules. The one you see here in this wiring diagram is a single channel one to control one device, in this case a small DC fan. But they can also control other devices, such as lights and even much larger fans like the one in your bathroom. This diagram also shows two other sensors that we have already discussed in my previous videos. Links to those videos and this diagram will be in this video's description. Here's the parts list breakdown for this project. The links for the parts will be in the video description. And here we see a relay board with two other sensors, a microcontroller, and a fan. When I touch the capacitive touch sensor, you can see that the fan turns on. This is a script I created that turns on the fan when it is run by touching the sensor. When I touch the sensor again, the fan will turn off. This setup is turning on a fan, but it could just as easily turn on and off a light or pretty much anything else. Now I'm going to switch to my Home Assistant screen and touch the sensor again. As you can see, the fan turns on and shows up in Home Assistant. This means we can control the fan in Home Assistant as well, so if we add another sensor, such as the BME280 temp and humidity sensor, we can now control the fan with it as well. So I have set up an automation in Home Assistant that when the humidity goes above 43%, in this case the fan will automatically come on. As you can see here, when I remove my finger from the sensor, the humidity will go below 43% and the fan will automatically turn off. In my next video, I am going to remove the switch in my master bathroom and replace it with the components we learned about in this video to make an automated fan system to remove the humidity from your bathroom after a shower or bath. Don't miss our next video where we will put this to the test to see how well it works once installed in the wall of my bathroom. In the next video, we will replace a switch inside the wall of my bathroom with the components we have discussed in this video. And we will add a new piece of hardware to make this work. Can anyone guess what that might be? If so, please leave a comment with your guess. This will allow us to not only control the fan in your bathroom with the touch sensor, but also have the fan be turned on when the humidity in the room is above a preset level and turned off after it drops. With the aid of the time of flight sensor, we can even have the fan turn on automatically when we need it to. The code to get the sensors working in ESPHome will be linked in the video description. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel so we can continue to make these videos, and as always, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments section. See you next time.